Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your keyboard controls in YapYap. Let's begin by opening the Options menu, then go into Keyboard Controls. In Keyboard Controls you can customize things like toggle crouch, toggle sprint, change the move keys, change the controls for move keys. I will set them back to WASD. Change the following as you wish. So, for example, interact, I can set it to left mouse button. I can wipe it back to original with the press of the X button next to the option. And I think that's about it. I will go through the list and name every option you can change. The movement keys: crouch, jump, ragdoll, use, slot 1, 2 and 3. Task list: interact, sprint, emote, action, drop, swap hands and change the camera mode. MMB is the middle mouse button or the scroll wheel. So customize it however you wish, then simply hit close and that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.